interviews in silent mode. But wait, before we invite them to the stage, guys, I just have a special announcement. We're gonna have 3 sets of pictures this evening. The first shot from our media is what we call as the formal shot, right, sir? Formal shot. The second one is closer, and the third one is wacky. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight, you guys are not going to pose for a wacky shot, or you're not allowed to pose for any wacky scenario or generic wacky scenario. Bawal po mag-wacky ngayon, okay? You know why? Because you have a specific pose on your table. It's placed on top of your table. It's like a scroll. Open it. Open the scroll on top of the table. And that's gonna be your pose for the wacky shot. So instead of coming up on stage with a generic wacky pose, you need to come up with that scenario. And the best able to act this scenario will get gift certificates from MJ. Galingan niyo po, okay? So while waiting for your cue, guys, please make sure that you are going to come up with your scenarios. Anything with this one, check Google, ChatGPT, whatever, to come up with your scenario. Okay, so different scenarios for people, and be competitive to take home the grand prize. You can bring props. You can bring props. Are you able to bring props, huh? Okay, so come up with the best scenario. And I have here the gift certificates already with me. Okay, you're gonna take on the GC. You're the best able to act out that scenario. So galingan niyo po, okay? So once again, while waiting for your cue, you can rehearse. You can have a short meeting. Or kayo acting lessons. Alright, so enjoy your dinner, everybody. And without a word, I think I'm gonna see you guys in 20 minutes for the second part of MJ's 18th birthday. Coming up next, the 18 jumps and the 18 shots and the 18 treasures. Okay, so